Spain has a diverse and rich history, characterized by unique traditions, groundbreaking contributions, and remarkable cultural landmarks. It is a land where ancient history coexists with modern innovation. Every corner tells a story, and cultural practices are as vibrant and varied as their landscapes. The following list uncovers some lesser-known yet intriguing aspects of Spain. 21. Oldest restaurant, Restaurant Botin. Founded in 1725, Restaurant Botin in Madrid not only holds the Guinness World Record for the oldest operating restaurant but also serves as a cultural icon. Its specialty, cochinillo asado, roast suckling pig, is prepared in an oven that's centuries old, and the restaurant itself has hosted notable figures like Ernest Hemingway and Francisco de Goya. 20. No Tooth Fairy. Ratoncito Pérez. Ratoncito Pérez, a character from Spanish folklore, plays a role similar to the tooth fairy in Anglophone cultures. According to legend, this tiny mouse sneaks into children's rooms to exchange their lost teeth for small gifts or coins. This tradition has delighted Spanish and Hispanic American children for generations. 19. A different anthem, Marcha Real. The Marcha Real, Spain's national anthem, is distinctive due to its lack of official lyrics. Its instrumental melody has been a part of Spanish heritage for centuries and is a symbol of national pride and unity, played at official ceremonies and sporting events. 18. Spanish inventions. Spain's history of innovation includes the mop and bucket system, designed by Manuel Jalón in 1956, simplifying and revolutionizing cleaning methods worldwide. The modern astronaut suit, developed by Emilio Herrera in 1935, was a precursor to the space suits used in space exploration. The stapler, an essential office tool, was first created in the Basque Country for King Louis XV of France. 17. 3 UNESCO languages. Spanish, Catalan, and Basque represent Spain's linguistic diversity. Spanish, a global language, has its roots in the Castile region. Catalan is spoken in Catalonia, Valencia, and the Balearic Islands, while Basque, an ancient language predating the Romance languages, is spoken in the Basque Country and Navarre. 16. Oldest lighthouse in use, Tower of Hercules. The Tower of Hercules, dating back to the 1st century AD, is an ancient Roman marvel and a functioning lighthouse. Situated in A Coruña, it guides ships along the rugged Galician coast and is a symbol of the region's maritime heritage. 15. Nudist beaches. With over 400 nudist beaches, Spain embraces a liberal approach to beachgoing. These beaches, found across the country, offer natural settings and a relaxed atmosphere, making Spain a popular destination for those who prefer a naturist beach experience. 14. El Camino de Santiago. The Camino de Santiago, also known as the Way of St. James, is a network of ancient pilgrim routes that span across Europe, culminating at the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela. This pilgrimage, rich in history and spiritual significance, attracts thousands of pilgrims annually, who walk various routes for religious, spiritual, or personal reasons. 13. Spanish influence on the Philippines. Spain's colonial rule over the Philippines from 1565 to 1898 left profound influences, visible in the widespread use of Spanish surnames and the integration of Spanish words into Filipino languages. The Philippines' dominant Roman Catholic faith is also a legacy of Spanish colonization. 12. Wind power pioneer. Spain's commitment to renewable energy is exemplified in its status as a wind power pioneer. With extensive wind farms dotting its landscape, Spain has made significant strides in harnessing wind energy, positioning itself as a leader in renewable energy and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. 11. Largest olive oil producer. As the world's foremost producer of olive oil, Spain plays a critical role in the global olive oil market. This production, concentrated in regions like Andalusia, is central to the Mediterranean diet and is a crucial pillar of Spanish gastronomy and agriculture. 10. DT. Most blue flag beaches. Spain's beaches, known for their beauty and quality, lead the world in earning blue flag status. This distinction, awarded for cleanliness, safety, and environmental management, underscores Spain's commitment to preserving its natural coastal resources and providing high-quality beach experiences. 9. Spanish flu misnomer. The 1918 Spanish flu pandemic is misnamed as it likely did not start in Spain. The name arose because Spain, neutral during World War I, did not impose wartime censorship on its press, thus reporting extensively on the pandemic. At the same time, other countries minimized news coverage to maintain morale. 8. No siesta law. While siestas are often associated with Spanish culture, there is no law mandating this practice. Changing work patterns and urban lifestyles have led to a decline in this traditional midday break, although it remains a part of life in some parts of Spain, particularly in rural areas. 7. Cave paintings. The Altamira cave, known for its Upper Paleolithic cave paintings, is a prehistoric treasure. Discovered in 1879 in northern Spain, these paintings, which include detailed depictions of animals and human hands, have been hailed as some of the finest examples of early human art. 6. Origin of California. The name California first appeared in the Spanish adventure novel Las Sergas de Esplandian by Garcia Rodriguez de Montalvo. The novel described California as a mythical island, which later influenced the naming of the real-life California in the United States. 5. First modern novel. Don Quixote. Don Quixote, authored by Miguel de Cervantes in the 17th century, is a cornerstone of Western literature. This novel, known for its innovative narrative techniques and the profound character of Don Quixote, has had a lasting impact on the development and form of the modern novel. 4. Flamenco origin. Flamenco, a deeply expressive and passionate art form, is a cultural symbol of Spain, particularly its Andalusian region. It encompasses singing, cante, guitar playing, toque, dance, baile, vocalizations, jaleo, hand clapping, palmas, and finger snapping, pitos. Flamenco evolved from the diverse cultures of Andalusia, including Romani, Moorish, and Jewish influences. 3. World Heritage Cities. Spain's rich historical tapestry is reflected in its 15 UNESCO World Heritage Cities. These cities, including Toledo with its unique blend of Christian, Muslim, and Jewish heritage, and Salamanca with its historic university and architectural beauty, are bastions of cultural and historical preservation. 2. Unique New Year tradition. On New Year's Eve, eating 12 grapes at each stroke of midnight is a cherished custom in Spain, known as las uvas de la suerte, the grapes of luck. This tradition is believed to bring prosperity and good fortune for each month of the new year. 1. Rare language preservation. Aranese. In the Val d'Aran, a valley in the Pyrenees, the preservation of Aranese, a dialect of Occitan, is a testament to Spain's commitment to linguistic diversity. Aranese's status as a co-official language alongside Catalan and Spanish in this region highlights Spain's dedication to protecting and promoting its minority languages. In summary, Spain's multifaceted character blends historical depth, innovative spirit, and rich cultural diversity. Each fact on this list provides a window into the soul of Spain, a country where the echoes of the past meet the dynamics of the present. These lesser-known aspects of Spanish life and history illustrate not only the nation's significant contributions to the world, but also its enduring charm and the vibrancy of its people. From its ancient roots to its modern achievements, Spain continues to fascinate and inspire, holding a special place in the tapestry of global culture.